Amazon is showing off its self-driving vehicle ambitions with its zoox project, named after the startup recently acquired by the US giant. The company was founded in 2014 and then acquired by Amazon in 2020. Hello viewers, welcome to AIXR, where future innovators come to get inspired. It is an electric, self-driving robotaxi prototype, with capacity for 4 passengers. Zoox is a relatively compact vehicle, but spacious enough to seat 4 people. It is bidirectional, it can be driven forward or backward, and its 4 small guide wheels make it easy to park. Without a driver or even a steering wheel, Zoox can reach a top speed of 75 miles per hour, around 120 kilometers per hour, in both ways. Its massive 133 kWh battery offers a 16-hour range, which means it can function all day without a break and charge up at night. Zoox is equipped with AI and traffic management systems, meaning it can anticipate potential dangers to avoid on the road, other vehicles, pedestrians, animals, etc. It boasts several cameras, radars and LiDAR technologies leading to a 360-degree view of its surroundings up to 150 meters from different angles. This impressive-looking self-driving shuttle is currently being tested in San Francisco and Las Vegas. Zoox was founded in 2014 by Australian artist-designer Tim Kentley and Jesse Levinson, son of Apple Incorporated chairman Arthur D. Levinson, who was developing self-driving technology at Stanford University.